Welcome back to Home Lab Networks. My name is AJ. In this video, I just wanted to quickly do a little office tour of my computer setup and just go through some of the parts I run with. Now, I run a 10-year-old PC still to this day with some of the original parts, as I just haven't upgraded and I haven't needed to with what I do with my work. So I run a quad monitor setup, 3 G246 to 27-inch Acer monitors, one VG series Asus 32-inch monitor, one Razer mouse, one Razer Chrome keyboard, and my GPU is a 2GB GTX 1050 that I got from my brother. It's an L-shaped desk, and in my PC is 3 hard drives. It runs with 16 DDR3 RAM and an i3 Intel CPU. Now, these are very old parts, I am aware of that, but my PC to this day still runs like brand new. It uses all the programs I need. It just does the job. I just don't need to upgrade. The only thing I need to upgrade is my storage, as I store a lot of video files. But other than that, it runs like I bought it yesterday. A brand new PC would be very nice, but I just don't feel the need to upgrade right now. I'll have all these parts linked in the description, but that's really the main part of my setup. Quad monitor setup. Even these monitors are 10 years old. If I can, I'll link these in the description if I can find them, but I run with the original parts. A few upgrades to the PC, but that's pretty much what I run with, and I plan to use this until it dies. I did upgrade the memory and added a few extra hard drives, and I did change the GPU, but that's about it. So I know this video was a very quick tour, but that's pretty much what runs behind the scenes in my office. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, leave a comment, even think about subscribing, and we'll see you guys in the next video.